Well, we're chickening out on the loop road simply because it's 20 miles worth of dirt and it gets even thinner up ahead, and we come to this area where it's at last chance to turn around. As the end is we still had 21 miles to go, and the heavy rain is getting closer, it's getting darker. We figured we don't want to be on a muddy dirt road in the middle of nowhere. It looks like it's really raining heavy up in front of us, actually.
Yeah.
So we're going to get back on the pavement and we're going to do, I guess, the normal thing. But this will be something that definitely to check out in the future, because they got all sorts of camping around here. And like we're just reading the sign at one of the trails, it's like, make sure you leave like an emergency contact number at the ranger station, just in case you don't arrive back at your expected date. So I guess they'll come out and look for you. But that's the plan. It's nice out here, and ain't nobody out here but us. Ain't heard no banjos yet.
No panthers, no bears,
but
and no gators.
We'll see. If something comes up, I'll try and get back online.
What the heck?
If I can't get online, I'll just try and take a quick picture and post it later on.
At least when you go to Tennessee, you get to see.
Yeah, we seen a bear
bears.
one time in Tennessee, but you know, we still got 98 miles to go here till we get to Key West. That we're bound to see something, even if it is a bunch of iguanas.
Yeah, that's a guarantee.
All right, what's that there? Uh-oh, what do we see?
We got a gator. Is that a gator?
Is that a gator? No, it's probably just a palm prawn. We thought it was a gator, but it's just palm prawns.
No fair.
And do you believe that people actually live out here?
Oh my God. Drive like your kids live here.
Yeah.
Jeez.
I guess.
My kids don't live in the Everglades.
Grumpy neighbors. They probably eat gator all the time.
Probably. People in Tennessee eat gator all the time. I know that.
And they import it from Florida.
I don't know, but I know they eat gator.
Well, I see pavement ahead.
1,000 feet. Turn right.
Pavement ahead. Yeah, it's starting to rain pretty good here.
Well, it's a tropical wave.
Yeah, tropical wave. It's supposed to cross over it too. We'll be somewhere.
There we go. Normal road.
Normal road again. Now it's quiet.
Yes.
Turn right on US 41.
I don't think I want to travel that thing for 20
Yeah, that'd be crazy.
miles.
Loop road. And show you how much the weather's deteriorating.
It's coming down pretty damn.
Yeah.
Continue straight for 40 minutes to Southwest 177th Avenue.
Okay, we'll be on this for 40 more minutes. I know there's a Value Jet monument around this road. I want to stop at it, but if it's pouring rain, I don't know if we're going to be able to get out. So, this is it. Fun, fun, fun. Ken, you're the last person standing. Oh, look. There is life. There is other people. This is the most traffic we've seen in an hour. 4 cars, 3 cars. Okay, we'll just give you an idea and then we'll sign off. Because Ken did. Actually, I'm just sitting here talking to myself now. Live, and I'll roll the window down so we have it. Miles and miles of nothing. And Look down the road, there's another car coming. Way down there. We're in the Everglades. Ain't nobody out here but us crazy people. At least we're not fighting traffic.
Not a day for CDs.
Yeah. So anyway, we'll be back in a little while. Thank you all for watching. Like I said before, if we find anything really interesting, if I can't get back on, we will take pictures and we'll post like the still pictures later. But you see it's getting pretty bad here. And it's like even looking darker ahead. But
yeah, it's okay.
We're cool.
We're cool. We're happy.
Having fun. Hey Teresa. No school today. We're in the Everglades. It is raining. We're on Alligator Alley, Old 41. We're about 38 miles west of Miami right now. We went down Highway 27 through Haines City, through Sebring, Immokalee on, what was that, 19? Highway 19.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah.
19?
Yeah, I think